Imagine stepping into your office each morning. Picture your workday, a relentless barrage of emails demanding immediate attention, stacks of reports needing meticulous analysis, and a constant stream of calls pulling you in a million different directions. And then there's the to-do list, that ever-growing, seemingly insurmountable mountain of tasks that never seems to get any shorter. It's a never-ending cycle, isn't it? It's a lot for one person to handle, juggling all these responsibilities and trying to stay afloat in the daily grind. And with every unmet deadline, every unanswered email, and every missed call, the pressure builds up fast, creating a stressful and overwhelming work environment. But what if you had a helper, someone to lighten the load and ease the burden? What if you had a clever assistant, a tireless worker that never gets tired, never complains, and is always ready to tackle the most tedious of tasks? Enter artificial intelligence agents, the revolutionary technology poised to transform the way we work. Think of them as your digital teammates, always on call and ready to assist with a wide range of tasks. They're ready to handle repetitive tasks, freeing you from the mundane and allowing you to focus on more strategic initiatives. This isn't about replacing people, it's not about eliminating jobs or creating a dystopian future. It's about empowering you, the human worker, to focus on what matters most: strategic thinking, creative problem solving, and building meaningful relationships. By delegating to AI, by entrusting these digital agents with the more routine aspects of your job, you gain time for creative problem solving, for brainstorming new ideas, and for developing innovative solutions to complex challenges. And you'll have more time for connecting with customers, building rapport, and providing exceptional service. You shift from doing everything yourself, from feeling like you have to be a master of all trades, to managing a team of digital helpers, orchestrating their efforts to achieve your goals. It's about working smarter, not harder, leveraging the power of AI to amplify your own capabilities and achieve more with less effort. It's about less stress, more efficiency, and ultimately, more success in all your endeavors. Welcome to a new era of productivity, an era where humans and AI work hand in hand to achieve extraordinary results, powered by science. So, what exactly are autonomous AI agents? In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly looking for ways to streamline our tasks, boost productivity, and make smarter decisions. Autonomous AI agents are emerging as a powerful solution, promising to revolutionize how we interact with technology and manage our daily lives. They represent a significant leap forward in artificial intelligence, offering capabilities far beyond traditional software or simple automation tools. Unlike basic chatbots that follow predefined scripts and can only answer specific questions, autonomous AI agents possess a much broader understanding and can adapt to changing circumstances. Think of those chatbots you encounter on websites. They're helpful for simple inquiries but quickly become frustrating when you need something more complex. Instead, these agents act like skilled assistants, capable of handling a wide range of tasks with minimal human intervention. They're not just responding to commands, they're actively working towards your goals. They understand your overarching goals, make informed decisions based on available data, and continuously adapt to new information and learn from their experiences. This adaptability is crucial in dynamic environments where conditions are constantly changing. They leverage machine learning to refine their strategies and improve their performance over time. For example, an AI agent can proactively monitor competitors, tracking their pricing, product launches, and marketing campaigns to provide you with a competitive edge. Or, it can intelligently manage your inbox, sorting, replying to routine inquiries, and flagging urgent emails that require your immediate attention. Imagine the time you'd save. The key differentiating factor is autonomy. You simply set the objective, define the parameters, and the agent handles the intricate details, freeing you to focus on higher-level strategic initiatives. Need travel booked for a conference, including flights, hotels, and transportation? The agent intelligently finds the best travel options, seamlessly checks your calendar for availability, and ensures all bookings stay strictly within your predefined budget. It's like having a self-guided tool, a personal assistant that operates independently, for managing even your most complex and demanding business tasks. These agents are incredibly versatile, proactively identifying opportunities, and always ready to provide assistance and support. Welcome to the next level of digital assistance, where AI empowers you to achieve more with less effort. What gives AI agents their independence? It's all about planning, memory, and adaptability. They break big goals into smaller steps, strategizing the best way forward. These agents remember past actions and learn from feedback, improving over time. If one approach fails, they try another, just like a human would. They use tools like search engines, calendars, and databases to get the job done. Advanced agents can even self-correct when they hit obstacles. This resourcefulness is what sets them apart from simple bots. They're not just following orders, they're thinking ahead. That's the secret sauce behind true autonomy. Worried you need to be a programmer? Don't be. Today's AI agent platforms are built for everyone. Many offer no-code or low-code interfaces. Just drag, drop, and customize. Start with pre-built templates for tasks like email management or social media posting. Tweak them to fit your needs and let your agent get to work. As you gain confidence, explore more advanced features still without writing code. Look for platforms with tutorials and community support. Start simple, experiment, and grow your skills as you go. Building your AI team is easier than ever. Ready to unleash the full potential of your AI agent and witness its transformative power in action? It all begins with setting crystal-clear goals. Think of your AI agent as a highly skilled but initially unguided member of your team. To get the best results, you need to provide it with a roadmap for success. Clear instructions are absolutely key to ensuring your AI agent understands its tasks and objectives. Ambiguity can lead to wasted time and suboptimal outcomes. The more precise you are, the better the results will be. Be specific. Avoid vague requests that leave room for misinterpretation. Instead of general directives, provide detailed guidelines. This ensures your AI agent focuses on the right priorities and executes tasks effectively. Instead of a broad instruction like help with customer support, which is open to interpretation, specify monitor incoming customer service emails, identify order status requests based on keywords like tracking or delivery, and then draft personalized replies providing the latest order updates and estimated delivery times. This level of detail guides the AI agent precisely. Define measurable goals, so you can track progress and assess the AI agent's effectiveness. Quantifiable targets provide a clear benchmark for success. For example, instead of saying improve social media presence, aim to draft 3 engaging social media posts per week, each tailored to a specific platform and target audience. Or instead of manage email inbox, set a goal to reduce the number of unread emails by 70% daily by prioritizing urgent messages and archiving irrelevant ones. Break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the overall objective less daunting and easier to achieve. Each step should have its own mini-goal, contributing to the larger objective. This granular approach allows for better monitoring and control. This step-by-step approach helps your agent and you stay organized and focused, fostering a collaborative environment. Track progress effectively and identify areas for improvement. Regular monitoring ensures that the AI agent stays on course and delivers the desired outcomes. Think of it as meticulously creating a detailed project plan, specifically tailored for your digital helper to execute flawlessly. Precision in defining goals and instructions ultimately leads to better performance, improved efficiency, and more impactful results. The clearer and more comprehensive your instructions are, leaving no room for ambiguity or guesswork, the smarter and more effectively your AI agent will work, consistently delivering high-quality results. So, set your goals with precision and clarity, providing your AI agent with a well-defined path to success. Define your objectives, provide clear instructions, and watch your AI deliver exceptional results, transforming your workflows and driving your business forward. With great AI power comes great responsibility, so remember that. Oversight is essential. Think of your AI agent as a talented but inexperienced assistant. It needs boundaries. Regularly monitor its work, especially when it's learning new tasks. Set up approval steps like reviewing drafts before they're sent. Use platforms that support human-in-the-loop workflows for quality control. Limit your agent's access to only the data and tools it needs. Smart permissions prevent accidental data breaches. Safe, secure AI use keeps your business protected. Autonomous AI agents are here to revolutionize your workday. Delegate repetitive tasks and free up time for creativity and strategy. Here's how to start. Identify a task to offload, try a no-code platform, define your task clearly, and monitor your agent's work. As you get comfortable, expand your agent's responsibilities. Experiment, learn, and adapt. These tools are evolving fast. Think of it as a new adventure in productivity. Your digital workforce is ready to help you succeed. The future of work is here. Why not give it a try? Explore the science and blast off into a smarter way of working.